Good morning, sir. Welcome to our supermarket. How can I help you today? Good morning. I need to buy some groceries and personal care items. Sure, sir. Please take your time. What would you like first? First, I need 2 packets of basmati rice. We have India Gate and Dawat brands. Which one would you like? Give me India Gate, 1 kilogram each. All right. 2 1 kilogram packs of India Gate rice. Anything else? Yes. I need 1 bottle of sunflower oil. We have Fortune, Safola, and a local brand. Fortune is 165 for 1 liter. Safola is 180. I'll take the Fortune oil. Noted. What's next, sir? I need to buy tur dal and green gram. We have both in loose and packed. What would you prefer? Loose is fine. Give me 500 grams of each. Okay, half keen tur dal and half kg green gram. Also, I want 2 packets of instant noodles. Maggi yippee or top ramen? Maggi, please. Done. Adding to your list. Do you need tea or coffee? Yes, I need 1 small packet of Red Label tea. Red Label 250 grams is 90. Shall I add it? Yes, please. And give me a small Nescafe bottle, too. Sure. 50-gram Nescafe is 140. Okay, that's fine. Would you like biscuits or snacks? Yes, 1 packet of Good Day and 1 of Parle G. Got it. Anything from personal care section? Yes. 1 Dove soap and a bottle of hair oil. Parachute or Bajaj almond drops? Bajaj almond drops, please. Medium bottle. Done. Do you want toothpaste or toothbrushes? Yes. 1 Colgate toothpaste and 2 toothbrushes. Soft or medium? Medium bristles. Okay, sir, adding that. Do you need any cleaning products? Yes. 1 toilet cleaner and a dishwashing liquid. Domex and Vim available. What's your choice? Domex toilet cleaner and Vim 250 milliliter. Done. Would you like detergent powder? Yes. Surf Excel 1 kilogram. All right, sir. Do you also want any vegetables or fruits? No vegetables today, but give me 1 dozen bananas and 1 watermelon. Fresh bananas and watermelon coming right up. Also, 1 tray of eggs, please. Do you want 6 eggs or full 12? Full tray of 12 eggs. Adding that to the list. Do you want cold drinks? Yes. 1 small bottle of Sprite. Sprite 500 milliliter, done. Do you have tissue rolls? Yes. 40 each, how many? 2 rolls? Okay, sir. Your cart is almost full. Anything else? Let me think. Yes, I need 1 pack of candles. Sometimes power goes off at night. Sure, pack of 6 candles added. And 1 small matchbox. Got it, sir. That should be all. Please pack everything properly. Of course. Shall I double pack for bike travel? Yes, please. I have to carry everything myself. Don't worry, sir. I'll pack in 2 strong carry bags. Thank you. What's the total? Let me check. Rice, oil, dal, noodles, tea, coffee, biscuits, soap, hair oil, toothpaste, brushes, cleaning items, fruits, eggs, tissue, cold drink. Your total here is 2,000. Thank you, sir. Here's your 130 change. Thanks. Very good service. Thank you, sir. Please come again. Sure. Have a great day. You too, sir. Take care.